It's 10 o'clock at night. Rochelle opened the door and a bird flew into our house. Where is it?
It's on top of the fridge. Ah!
The door is open, but it won't leave. Birdie! Jack, get the bird!
Honey!
Oh my God.
Our house is gonna have rabies.
No, it's gonna have bird flu. It's gotta fly out sooner or later. Jack, get it, you retarded cat!
Where's the broom?
Jump up and get... You know where the broom is. Honey, are you naked? No.
No, I'm not.
Get it, Jag! Get on the counter and get it! What's it doing?
It's sitting on top of the recipe box and it's staring at me.
Honey, it's cold outside. It does not want to go back out. Where is it? Jag, get it!
Get it!
Get the damn bird, retard! Kill it, that's your dinner! Get it! It's on the recipe box. By the window. Ooh, yes, we can see it. Ah! Ah! It's on the fridge. Get it, Jag!
Kitty! Get it!
Oh my God, it just ran into the mirror like a retard.
Oh my God! Honey!
Jag, get the bird! Kill it! You're a hunter! Use your instincts! Got the door wide open and the retard won't fly out.
Kitty, get it! I'm putting him on the counter.
Okay.
Get it! Yes!
Jump up there and get it, kitty.
Get it!
Get that bird.
Get it! Get it! Get it!
Oh my God.
Yeah.
This is wild.
Oh my God!
That bird is pissed that it snowed. It's like, it is cold, I'm not going outside. Oh my God, it keeps hitting the mirror. I think it's retarded because it's cold.
Honey. We gotta hit it with something.
I guess. I don't know.
Where's the broom, damn it? I'm getting it.
Great, I'm gonna get Mom on tape murdering a poor innocent
Honey,
bird.
we have to get it out!
I know, I don't know. Jag needs to just catch it. Get out! Oh my God. You need to get over here on this side.
Why am I doing
Hey,
this?
hey, open the window. Open that window too. Maybe you'll fly out the window.
God, our house is gonna be freezing now.
We got more wood.
Oh, and it's snowing.
That's why the bird is in here.
Oh, cat, snow's coming in.
That's why the bird is in here, because it's snowing.
God.
It's freezing and it wants us to take it in. Kitty, jump up there and get it. Look at him.
Oh my God.
Get the bird. Get the bird, kitty. Get out! It won't go out. It's too cold outside. It doesn't want to go out.
Oh, he's sad. Look at him.
I know. He wants us to take him in. Go to Walmart and buy a bird cage and come home. Kitty, get up there and get it. Freaking sissy. Stupid cat.
Kitchen window.
The kitchen window have a screen?
Yeah.
Come here, kitty. Come on. Get it. The cat runs away to his bedroom.
Oh, God, he's running in there.
Oh, he's on the hippo.
Our house is gonna have diseases.
No. You got those Clorox wipes.
More like Clorox spray everything.
There's a bird in our living room. Oh my god!
Stupid cat.
On the fridge.
He was living in there.
He's waiting for you to open the door so he could fly in and get warm.
Get out.
Well, I have to go to work in a little while, so you better get it out before I go to work.
Get it before you leave.
When it tries to fly over here, wave your arms around.
Oh my god.
Okay? There's the bird. Ah! I told you to wave your arms around.
Give me the broom.
Go over there.
Give me the broom. I can't touch it barehanded.
Ugh! He didn't even budge when I tried to hit him.
You gotta hit him with the broom. Oh.
It's on the speaker.
Kitty!
Oh shit. Leave the door open, Tart. You stand here and wave your arms around. Don't let him fly into the kitchen.
I got the dustbin.
Don't let him fly into the kitchen. Wave it around.